Good morning, dear students of Norra Ängby Primary School. My name is Miss Nina Ladopoulou Lundqvist and I am an English teacher in year 5 and 6. Today it is a special day. It is our British Day. Welcome to our online assembly. We are going to experience what an English school is like. Most of you are wearing school uniforms today. Very exciting. Let me give you some information about today's timetable. The day starts by registration in every classroom. Your teachers are going to read out your names. On hearing your name, you are going to reply by yes, Mrs. or Miss and the teacher's last name, or yes, Mr. and the teacher's last name. If it takes ages to call your teachers by their last names, you can just say like this, yes, Miss or yes, sir. Today, we're going to speak in English as much as we can. You still have your regular lessons in every school subject. We are also going to learn interesting facts about the United Kingdom, and of course we're going to eat fish and chips for lunch. Remember to be extra polite today, so phrases like thank you for the nice meal, thank you for your help, I'm sorry, please, hi, how are you should be used often. I would like to thank you all for your enthusiasm, support and kindness. Special thanks to our music teacher, Mrs. Anna Gustafsson, and the English and Social Studies teachers who organize the activities for the British Day. These teachers are Miss Malin Arnblom, Mrs. Jessica Veenstra, Mr. Jusuf Abdiaziz, Mrs. Ann-Sofie Svensk, Miss Siri Rällfors, Miss Elin Lindholm, Miss Jönsson and Miss Emma Lidström. Enjoy yourselves and have a nice weekend. Bye!
Good morning, class!